Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wash Toyota Corolla engine step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery and covering electrical components with plastic bags to avoid water contact. Then use a degreaser on oily areas and gently scrub with a soft brush. Rinse with low-pressure water. Dry thoroughly with compressed air or microfiber towels. Reattach the battery only after the engine is completely dry, and always wear gloves and eye protection. Before you clean, make sure the engine is cool and the keys are out, and work in a ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Protect electrical parts with sealed plastic and tape, and unplug the battery to prevent shorts. Use disposable rags and a bucket for runoff, and avoid harsh pressure around seals. Keep children and pets away, and plan 30 to 60 minutes for a careful, safe cleaning session that prevents damage and preserves components. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful how-to videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to freshen your ride and enjoy a better driving experience. I've linked the product and a few deals in the description for your convenience, and that helps support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by spraying a water-based degreaser on oil-soaked spots, letting it sit long enough to loosen grime. Use a soft brush to work the cleaner into crevices, then rinse with low-pressure water to avoid driving moisture into connectors. Blow out remaining water with compressed air and wipe surfaces with microfiber towels until visually dry. Reconnect the battery only after confirming all parts are fully dry, and perform a quick ignition check to ensure sensors and electronics function normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.